3, 2, 1.
Welcome back to our Tuscany journey. Today begins in Pisa, where we explore the city beyond its famous tower. We walk through lively shopping streets, past bicycles, cafes, and colorful buildings, and soon reach the river Arno. Pisa feels compact and relaxed, so most of the historic center can be explored comfortably on foot. One useful tip: do not rush straight to the tower. Pisa's riverside streets are quieter, more local, and often completely missed by day trippers. Before continuing, we stop for pizza. In Italy, pizza is often simple: a thin crust, tomato, cheese, and only a few toppings. Good ingredients do most of the work. After lunch, we reach Piazza dei Miracoli. The leaning tower appears behind the trees, and its angle looks even stranger in real life. The tower began leaning during construction because the soft ground could not support its weight evenly. Work continued in stages for nearly 200 years. The tower is only one part of this remarkable square. Beside it stand Pisa Cathedral, the Baptistery, and the Camposanto. Their white marble facades are covered with arches, columns, sculptures, and geometric details. Together they form one of Europe's most recognizable medieval complexes, now protected as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Beside the cathedral, the Baptistery has a completely different shape. Its circular walls, layered arcades, and sculpted details make it worth viewing from every side. Before leaving Pisa, we return to the Arno. In the evening light, the colorful riverside buildings reflect on the water, and the city feels quieter. It is a peaceful ending to our first day. The next day, we arrive in Florence and walk from the station into the historic center. The streets quickly become busier, with tall stone buildings, shops, and cafes around every corner. Florence is compact enough to explore on foot, but comfortable shoes are essential, because a full day here means a lot of walking. On the way to the Duomo, even ordinary streets feel cinematic. The dome keeps appearing between the buildings, guiding us forward. Then Florence Cathedral suddenly fills the street ahead of us. Santa Maria del Fiore is covered in green, white, and pink marble, while Brunelleschi's enormous dome dominates the skyline. From the square, the cathedral feels far larger and more detailed than photographs suggest. The cathedral complex also includes Giotto's bell tower and the Baptistery of St. John. Every side reveals carved doors, statues, marble patterns, and decorative arches. As we continue through the surrounding streets, the red dome keeps appearing above the rooftops, making it an easy landmark while exploring central Florence. And while Florence opens beneath us, here is your travel karma reminder. Leave a comment, hit like, and subscribe. It really helps our channel grow. From a rooftop terrace, Florence looks completely different. Terracotta roofs stretch in every direction, church towers rise above the city, and the cathedral dome remains the dominant feature. These elevated views show how tightly packed the historic center really is. Back at street level, we reach Piazza della Signoria, the historic political heart of Florence. Palazzo Vecchio towers over the square, while the Loggia dei Lance displays famous sculptures beneath its arches. Nearby, the Fountain of Neptune and the surrounding statues make the entire piazza feel like an open-air museum. One detail many visitors miss: the David outside Palazzo Vecchio is a replica. Michelangelo's original is protected inside the Accademia Gallery, a short walk away. Inside Palazzo Vecchio, even the entrance feels ceremonial. The Michelozzo courtyard is filled with ornate columns and beautifully painted vaults, turning this small passage into a work of art. After admiring the courtyard, we return to Florence's narrow streets, local bakeries and cafes. Just a few blocks from the major landmarks, Prices are often lower, and the atmosphere feels much calmer. As evening approaches, Florence becomes quieter, and the harsh daylight turns warm. We walk toward the Arno through residential streets and small squares, watching the stone facades change color. Our final destination is across the river and uphill, Piazzale Michelangelo. A simple Florence tip: save Piazzale Michelangelo for late afternoon. Bring water and start climbing before sunset. You will avoid the strongest heat and still have time to find a good viewpoint. The climb to Piazzale Michelangelo takes some effort after a full day on foot, but every higher turn reveals more of Florence below. The viewpoint is extremely popular at sunset, so arriving early gives you a better chance of finding a place near the railing. These are not ancient ruins, but the Rampe del Poggi, a 19th century landscape designed by Giuseppe Poggi. Grottos, fountains, and terraces guide water downhill while turning the climb into a hidden garden. From Piazzale Michelangelo, Florence glows beneath us. The Arno, Palazzo Vecchio, and the Duomo rising above the rooftops. As sunset settles over Tuscany, it feels like the perfect ending to Pisa and Florence. Next time, we explore more of Florence, then drive into Chianti, visit grave and medieval San Gimignano. See you in the next episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Flight was delayed or canceled, My Sky Help can help you get compensation, up to €600. No stress, no upfront payments. Just fill out your flight info on our website, and our team will handle the rest. Our commission of 25 to 28% is deducted only after the airline pays you. Visit myskyhelp.com.